y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas episode 45. And I really love this. This is probably one of my favorites. I know I say that about all of them, but this is really kind of awesome and neat. So, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to make a coloring shirt. This is so much fun. Now, the file I'm using, what I did is I went to Google and searched for a black and white coloring book page. I traced it out in Cricut, deleted all the stuff I didn't, so it's just the outlines. Black HTV, white t-shirt, something to be able to put into the middle of your shirt. And what's fun about a project like this is this can be a gift for a child to make and wear on themselves, or you can do this and get your kids to color it and give it to Greenie or Papa or whoever, and it makes such a fun gift that is unique. So you're gonna need your vinyl, your shirt, your file. I bought these markers off of Amazon, and these are really neat. They're like 10 bucks for all 12 of these, and they are dual-ended, so they have a smaller tip on one side and then a larger one on another. But they make cheaper fabric markers, and you can even just use regular old Crayola. I actually purchased these to bring with us to Disney, but we're gonna use them for this project. Your easy weed and wooden pick, your Teflon sheet, and your scissors. Now, if you'll give me a moment, I'll get the camera angle changed so you can see how this is all going to be put together. Okay, so I have already started to weed my reindeer coloring book page. And what you look for is just free printable coloring sheets. These are not for commercial use. Again, as I said, I just traced it out. I imported it into Cricut and traced this out. Absolutely adorable. And as I said, this makes a great gift for kids. Also makes a great gift for any budding artist, or you can give these to teenagers. Just find out what they're into and you can make it for pretty much anybody. Because you know, coloring is like well, I don't think it's the new relaxing thing to do anymore, but it was for a while. I still like to do it. But this is a great way to have something that give it to grandma, and it's a great way for her to be able to have her grandkids' artwork and walk around in it. So there we go. And see, we want a design like this that has everything outlined in black, just like you would see on a coloring book page, so that way you can fill in these spots. Now, I've seen other people do these and make like a template with paint and stuff like that, but I prefer to use the vinyl. You don't have the color bleed on your markers where it can blend in with your paint. So, this is what I like to do. And you can do it whatever way you would like. These are just ideas. Just a few more pieces. It feels so wrong to be taking out all of the insides and not wondering what's going to piece in together with it. Wrong thing. There we go. There we go. Now, we're going to load this on, and this is just a small, what brand is this? Anvil t-shirt in white. My microphone is caught on my pants. I'm having issues today, y'all. There we go. Pull it where the collar is off. We are going to use our t-shirt guide, using a 16-inch because I have a 16-inch press. Fold our design in half, which should be right about center of the Christmas tree, which actually it is pretty centered with the Christmas tree. Now, since this is a youth shirt, we want to go a little bit closer to the top than we would on an adult shirt, because you don't want a kid's shirt to start on their belly. You want it to start close to their neck. So we normally start these about 2 fingers down from the highest point. Now we are going to cover, and then once it's heated, then we get to color. And as I said, I purchased those markers that we're using. They are Crafts for All fabric markers. They were like 10 bucks, I think, on Amazon. And I also have some Tulip brand ones that I bought, fabric markers that I purchased at Michael's or Joann's. And they were more, but they suck. Like, they don't color well at all. These color better. So, but you could just use regular Crayola or whatever. So I'm just going to take my little Westcott cutting mat, which you can use whatever you want to. Keep it nice and smooth, and we're not going to color the whole thing. Mama ain't got time for that, but we're going to show you how easy this is. I probably should have picked another color besides yellow. I'm probably going to get critiqued over how I color. At least today I started it from the right side up. A lot of times when I color from the bottom upwards, not the top down. So I do it backwards. Anyways, look how cute that is. And if you can't see the yellow, let me add another color just so you can see what I mean. We'll do red balls. See, these colors color well. There we go. See, and it makes it easy to stay in the lines, and there's no bleed like it would be sometimes on, what is it called? Like paint or screen print. So, there we go. Now, remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I still want to see some of y'all's project. Get on my Facebook page, get on my Facebook group, Instagram, tag me in some of your Craftmas projects. I want to see what y'all are making as well, and comment down below if there's projects that you want to see on Craftmas. Other than that, don't forget to check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all linked down below. My second channel, which is just Betsy Gocher, which is where I do all things Disney, all things makeup. But I guess that's it for now, so we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.